In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Find My Device using your iPhone. Misplacing your Android phone is stressful, but thankfully, Google's Find My Device feature offers solutions. We'll walk through how you can get started using just your iPhone. First, let's grab your device and open Safari or another browser of your choice on your iPhone. This is your gateway to accessing Google's helpful tool. Once you've opened your browser, you'll want to type in google.com Android Find into the search bar. This URL takes you directly to the Find My Device interface, your command center for locating your missing Android. When you arrive at the page, you'll need to sign in with the Google account associated with your lost Android phone. This step is crucial because it authenticates your access and ties your search to the correct device. Make sure you know your login credentials, as you'll be using them to unlock this suite of features that will help locate or protect your device. Upon signing in, you should see a map with the location of your device if it's currently online. This visual represents where your phone last communicated with a network. It's a relief to see your device's whereabouts in real time. You might discover it's down the couch, in a cab, or at your friend's house. Accuracy depends on the current network status, so a little patience might be needed if the device isn't currently online. Now, you have several options at your disposal. Each option serves a specific purpose in helping you either recover your phone or safeguard your information. You might first want to tap the play sound option. This causes your device to ring loudly and continuously, even if it's on silent. This nifty feature is immensely helpful for those situations where you believe the phone is somewhere nearby but can't quite locate it by sight alone. If your device isn't within earshot or you want to ensure its security, you can tap Secure Device. This functionality locks your phone and displays a message alongside a phone number on the screen. This is wonderful for situations where you suspect someone else might currently have it, as it protects your data and provides an easy way for someone to return the phone to you. In more challenging situations where recovery seems unlikely, you can choose Erase Device. This option should be your last resort because it deletes all data from your phone to prevent unauthorized access. Only proceed with this step if you're sure there's no chance of getting your phone back. By following these steps carefully, you can either locate your trusted Android companion or ensure that your information remains secure. Make sure to absorb these options and use them wisely according to the circumstance. Thank you for joining me in this essential guide to using Google Find My Device on your iPhone.